Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a very good morning from Panchavati. Panchavati is a place near Nasik, and we came here via train till Nasik Road, and then we took a bus to Panchavati, and we just came here and we just started relaxing in the banks of Godavari, and that is my friend Devram over there, taking his time in the river. And I'm doubtful about which is the main temple, if it is this one, this one, this one, or there are still many more. Here one is there, and there one more is there. But yeah, overall it is good. We'll figure it out by time. It was dark when we came here. I meditated for some time. It was peaceful, but there are too many flies over here, because of which like too much distraction. So yeah, little more time and then we'll move towards 1111 temple, and then we'll go to Trimbakeshwar today. Yeah, that's all for now. We'll keep you updated.
And Ravan came to kidnap Sita Devi here.
That means that Lakshmana Rekhe, everything event happened here only.
Yeah, like you didn't see my status.
No idea. So yeah, it was way too clean. Felt nice. Just randomly roaming. So here, Kriya Karma type and all, if there is there, they do it here. You can see one live happening over there. Separate. That is a temple maybe. These old temples like this, no, over the time, like either the main what do you call, the deity statue, it gets stolen, or it gets like someone attacked and it is not there, someone took it and like secretly kept it somewhere, and after that they stop doing the puja and all over there, and it just gets like forever left out type, like without deity or a statue, people going there will reduce, and over the time it will be like just like that. So that is the thing. There's a temple over here also. One shop I went, I asked her like same quantity, one packet milk. She's like 50 rupees. Problem is here we don't get that Nandini packets, no. Other company, local mostly. Or I don't even know what is local, what is not local in these brands. 50 rupees it seems. I came back. In other shop, same thing I got for 30 rupees. So this is a typical Maharashtrian poha with a lot of the ಸೇವಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇಲಿಂದ ಹಾಗೆ. Didn't find anything else for quick hack. good. Hot, hot. I'll speak to you after I'm done with this. Yeah. Bye bye.
Rupees poha.
Yeah.
Good.
It
Like
was
quantity-
hot. Quantity was good. So that poha just costed me 20 rupees. It was nice filling. Good till afternoon. Where you meant? From that side.
I want to go there.
Okay, let's go.
We can't go inside there.
It is closed maybe. Or from other side there is a opening.
I wanted to go here.
This is the entrance.
I think that side it will be there.
Yeah.
This is back.
We'll go from there only. Back side we can go from there.
Anyway, we'll roam and go. No need to come here again now. Now and then people are coming. More and more people.
Oh yeah. Might not be open or it might be open. It is beautiful, man. But why do they build these shops around it?
Something to do with something. In Tanjavur, they say connecting with celestial energy something. You know,
Shops.
celestial energy.
What connects?
That thing. Also.
I meant why do they build these shops over here?
Shop?
Yeah. Simply it spoils the thing. Like that I
like
meant.
that.
Yeah. It's not visible from here because of light. Yeah. So this is the same river where we took bath. And yeah, he reminded me one more thing when we were speaking to that where I had poha. So it is like in 2027 there is going to be Kumbh Mela in this place. That is Nasik. It is going to be exactly in that place. Like literally there. This whole area. So that's what he said. And yeah, nice man. We wanted to go inside this place, but unfortunately it is closed. Not finding any entrance to it. This looks nice. Old cities, old ruins. This looks like some kind of fort or something because it has that dome shaped thing where people can stand and guard. Or no luck.
It will open in some time.
Yeah. So yeah, this will open in some time it seems. Let's wait and watch.
You want to wait or?
No, but what do you think this might be? Like it looks like
What is
fort, man, more than temple.
Like what? What is it? Only I don't know. Like what is?
Like
it?
that dome shape is
So
there.
on
No,
about this.
no,
will
their
may
thing.
fall
There you
down
see.
Anytime due to erosion. Please do not sit outside
You're reading
near
inside
temple
thing.
or platform.
There is bell also.
Where?
See there,
up.
top, yeah.
Will they open from that side and we will?
Oh. So you can just see that Ati Prachin Sri Ganga Godavari Mandir, and there is Sitaram Mandir, and this is the famous thing in which the water keeps coming from the mouth of Nandi, and this is exactly where it is said that three rivers, that is Aruna, Varuna and Godavari meet. And just like Saraswati, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati is like a river that flows, believed to be flowing beneath. Similarly, Aruna and Varuna is believed to be flowing beneath, and it is believed that three rivers shall meet here, and this is Triveni Sangam, and from here the water flows. And during the Kumbh in 2027, people will start taking baths from here, and it doesn't have banks as such, which is available in Prayagraj. This is just like 5 to 6 kilometers, it seems, according to the guy who just he was just giving the tea, and I just spoke to him, and he said that. Yeah, this was the thing that I wanted to show you guys. One round haki bandadmele, we see that this temple is open now. Sad thing about this temple is that, like all the temples, they just put that it's a old Ram temple. It's a old Shiva temple. That's all. Very poor with like managing it. Like even if they have put it, is not like I can read it. It is not in Hindi. It is not in English. Mainly, it is just that it is an old temple. It's an old Shiva temple. It is an old Ram temple. That's all. Nothing else. Sri Narishankara Mandirat. Ah, yeah. See, it is in Hindi, but it is in Marathi. Nice. Stones above this temple may fall down at any time due to erosion. Please do not sit outside near temple or on platform. Temple authorities will not be responsible. Yeah. Let me show you the temple. This is a beautiful temple actually. Okay, wrong angle for the light. I don't think you can see it. Yeah, it is a beautiful temple actually. Very old. A lot of work, and erosion has eaten up the work also. And the top layer, it looks like it is recently made, but I don't think there is a chance. Like it is, the stones on the top are more brighter than these, so I said that. Maybe some other reason to it. So it has two entrances, one from here, one from back. Or maybe this was front, that is back. So yeah, it is beautiful. When you look at it like that, it looks very nice. I don't know what to speak about it. Little more history here and there written. Hindi, Kannada, not Kannada obviously. Can't expect Kannada over here, but Hindi at least, or English at least, would have helped me know more about this place. But you can see, the work is perfect. Erosion has eaten up things though, and a lot of natural habitation. This is what happens when you don't vlog regularly, you don't get the words. So yeah, I didn't record it from inside because they had mentioned about it. But then it is very beautiful from inside. A lot of carvings have even like faded and not recognizable. But it is very like someone was doing it, wanted to do so many things that is visible through it. Like he had done so many things and slowly the detailing has faded. ಹಾಗೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಿದೆ, ಸಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹ. ಬಿಡಿಯಾ ಯಾವ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ರೀಸೆಂಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಅಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಬೆಲ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ kind of recent.
20 minutes later.
So this is the temple called as Kala Ram Mandir. It is like ನಾವು ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಆಚೆಯಿಂದ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒಳಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದಾದಮೇಲೆ ದೇವರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಐ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಗೇನ್. ತುಂಬ ಚೆಂದ ಇದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ನೋಡಿದರೆ. ವೆನ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಅದರ್ temples over here, this is the only one that has been well maintained for years, or even if it is constructed recently, it is well maintained ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಹಾಗೆ ಈವನ್ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ಒಳಗಿಂದ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದವರಿಗೆ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಪ್ರಸಾದ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಈ ಸೈಡಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. Wait, let me try to get it covered with the wide angle. Yeah, for the wide angle. This is the beautiful Kalaram Mandir. Enough place to sit here and meditate, take your time, free to do anything. Okay, after that I went to Sita's Gufa. It was good. It was really good. And but you were not allowed to like record it, so I couldn't record anything. Now we are heading back in the sense going to the main bus stand over here in Panchavati, and after that we'll be going to the Trimbakeshwar. You can see this is the same place. Morning I had recorded the statue of Shivaji Maharaj is over here. It was so empty in the morning and it is just so crowded right now. That's all for now. My battery is dying in this Osmo camera, so I need to save it and find a way to like charge it before we reach Trimbakeshwar. So yeah, that's all for now. Bye bye.
इधर का फेमस है वो और कोई चाहिए